Nestled in the majestic landscapes of Himalayas is a small charming country, Bhutan. And nestled in this beautiful country is a small village called Punakha. Today, we are taking you on a tour of a cozy traditional farmhouse in this beautiful Himalayan village. Picture lush landscapes, warm smiles, and peek into Bhutanese lifestyle. Join us as we explore a hidden gem, a traditional farmhouse in the quaint village of Punakha, and experience the simplicity and hospitality of the Bhutanese people. Come on, let's begin.
Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? I'm standing in front of a traditional Bhutanese farmhouse. I'm on a trip, I'm on a short 7-day trip to Bhutan, and this is the most beautiful place that we stayed during the course of this trip. And Bhutan, I've been just mind blown by the beautiful architecture that they still have preserved. All the buildings still today are adorned with these hand painted murals and decorations. They have a particular style of architecture. So this is a farmhouse that I loved staying in. It's much better looking than any of the hotels that I've stayed in. So I just wanted to give you all a quick tour of this beautiful place. So come, watch with me. So our farmhouse is situated uphill at a short distance from the parking area, and we have to hike a little to reach there. So it's quite adventurous actually. If you see, there is this small water stream also passing. So this is a small hike that we kind of have to do to reach to our farmhouse, which is fun. Chalte hain.
And that is our farmhouse that we can see from the distance.
Good morning.
So the farmhouse opens to this big courtyard, which is an open space very similar to the angans that we have in India. The farmhouse has 2 identical floors, and we are staying on the first floor, whereas the host family stays on the ground floor. So come, let's tour the farmhouse.
So this farmhouse is built in two floors. Upper floor is where we are staying, and these tiny cute red stairs will take us there. So come on, let's see. Stairs are quite steep. Okay, so on the right is the bathroom. It's occupied right now, so I'll show it later. And here we have our home, the living room. Now imagine waking up to this view every day. Beautiful.
I was staying in this farmhouse along with my friends who I was on the trip with, and all these windows open up to these majestic and beautiful landscapes of the Himalayan regions. So refreshing.
So guys, it's 7:30 in the morning and it's quite bright already, but we can't see the sun because the sun is actually hidden behind the mountains. So the true sunrise actually happens around 6:30, but we can only see the sun around 7:30, 7:45. It's about to come, and it's a beautiful view. Yeah, it's bright already, and yeah, so far it's a beautiful stay.
So come on in, let's have a look at this farmhouse. As soon as we enter, there's a beautiful painted bench to sit on and wear the shoes. These kind of traditional, colorful paintings are everywhere in Bhutan. You will find them in all the buildings, the painted furniture, and anything that's traditional. This is the living room of this farmhouse. Again, a very simple room with a lot of furniture to sit on, lot of wooden windows, which are a staple in Bhutanese architecture, and a lot of painted door frames and walls. Now look at this beautifully painted door frame, isn't it beautiful? Also, one unique thing about Bhutan is that they respect their kings a lot. Although it's a democracy, but the kings are, almost worshipped. So in every temple, in every shop, and even their homes, they have pictures of their current and older kings that have been there. And just like India, they also have a lot of cane artifacts and cane furniture. It's so beautiful. Most of the traditional furniture also have these colorful, beautiful paintings, which are their religious and mythological paintings. And this style of painting, these motifs are repeated everywhere in their paintings, which just gives it a very unique identity. Now let's have a look at the ceiling. And here too, you see this very unique three-dimensional architecture being repeated and again painted with the same motifs. You will notice here a lot of representation of clouds and flowers in a very unique way. And again, these are related to the Buddhist mythological stories. One such story is that Buddha actually went to the heavens, crossing the clouds to meet his mother. The flowers could be related to the story where, when he was meditating, some people threw stones at him, but they turned into flowers. It's fascinating to see how art, religion, and culture are intertwined. Like here, you can see a dragon, which is commonly represented in their paintings and is also there in their national flag. So come on, let's have a look at one of the bedrooms, which is behind this beautiful red door. Khul ja sim sim.
Hi,
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
And my friend Harsh is helping us
Hello.
with the home tour.
Hi.
Welcome to my Shamiana for the night.
Let's go. Oh, these are the wardrobes. Oh, wow.
There's an altar.
So, my friend Harsh will show us the altar. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you. Now, let's go. Again, just look at how detailed these paintings are. How beautiful. And their monasteries also have this style of painting all across, and the home temples are also so beautiful. Bhutanese people mostly worship Buddha and the other forms of Buddha in this traditional style. It's a very peaceful and simple lifestyle that they have. Me and my friends were awestruck by the intricate beauty and details of this little meditative spiritual place in the house. Come, let's have a look at the other parts of the house. They have wooden floors to protect them from the extreme cold. Okay, let us now see the other two rooms which are behind this beautiful door. On the left is the first room, which my friends are kind of exploring and seeing what all is there. And then on the right is the other room, which is very identical, almost similar. So this is basically a 3 BHK, and we saw the master bedroom, and these two are the other rooms which are very similar to each other. And again, they are both adorned with these beautiful patterns and designs on the wall. The same cloud and flower motifs can also be seen here in this room. And here is me taking the footage for all of you lovely people. The wall on the other side has these circular designs. This symbol here is called the endless knot and is one of the 8 religious symbols in Buddhism. Cool, let's go back to the drawing room and see what's happening there. My friends are also huge admirers of traditional things and beautiful things, so here they are exploring all the things that are there in this farmhouse. We were observing and discussing all these beautiful paintings, the motifs, and what could be the meaning behind them. Look at this beautiful red TV stand. I mean, this is such a statement piece. The paintings are just so pretty, so colorful. Very pretty, एकदम traditional style में बनाया हुआ है, and I'm in just we just came and I'm in awe of this. It's so beautiful, so pretty, just looking like wow. So just like India, cane artifacts are also very popular in Bhutanese culture, and they make a lot of baskets, a lot of hats using the weaving patterns in the canes. So here in this house, there are a few traditional items kept for display in this beautiful wooden cabinet. Hello, hello. In the evening, this place is something else altogether. So the fire is lit up and my friends have already started. So warm. In the traditional homes, wood fire is an essential element to keep warmth during the cold winter months.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
The warmth of the fire felt so good in the chilly, cold weather, and our lovely host helped us with the wood fire.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very happy, very peaceful.
It was really lovely chit-chatting with our lovely hosts of this house while like feeling the warmth of this wood fire and just getting to know them, their lifestyle and their culture, which I think is an essential part of basically traveling to new places and getting to know new cultures and new people. From this farmhouse, we could also see a view of the beautifully lit Punakha Zong, which is basically a fort that every city used to have to protect against the enemies. While we were enjoying the wood fire, the dinner was also being prepared. Here is the kitchen, and let's see what's getting cooked. There's a cat also sleeping here. Hello. क्या बन रहा है आज? So she was cooking rice and emadatsi. Emadatsi is a national dish of Bhutan also, and it's like a beautiful amalgamation of cheese, chili, and mushrooms. She was also making some egg curry for us so that we get some protein as well. Egg curry and potato. Egg curry and potato, okay.
It's like at least in the housetops. They say they have hydroelectric is also carbon.
They also have two cute cats that keep running around the house. I think the best way to know a culture is via the stories and anecdotes of the local people, and we thoroughly enjoyed the conversations.
Long time back, we do not have, trade, relationship with India or something like that. But all people used to go to India also.
Yeah.
They used to walk, particularly Assam, Kuch Bihar side. And then our ancestors, they used to go to Tibet. Yeah, they used to walk. Bhutan, the positivity about Bhutan is like out here, the air, the air is very clean. In fact, it's carbon negative. And then Bhutan has done a marvelous job when it comes to the preservation of environment, preservation of tradition and culture. And then we also
Please let me know in the
stress too much on
comments
the
which part
environment.
of this farmhouse was your favorite. I love reading your comments. And also subscribe to my channel if you like seeing such home tours and art and crafts and architecture commentary. I love doing this, but if you love it more, I will make more of such videos. So please do let me know. So that's the video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care and stay safe.